Hello, Kate here. Welcome to our painting kit section. This is the section that pulls it all together. So if you are looking to complete a project at home and you haven't painted much before or haven't got the exact tools that you might need, this is the section. For example, the kitchen cabinet kit has the exact cleaner you need to prepare them. It has the sandpaper to do your initial sand, the right primer, the brush to put on the primer, then the sandpaper to do your intercoat sanding, the top coat, the roller for the top coat. Why did we create the kits? This now I'll show you is exactly why. This is our short pile alchemist roller and this is our long pile. So we found that if we sell the paint, people might think, I have a roller at home, I'll use that. So if you use this roller when the project required this roller, you're going to put on 3 or 4 extra coats, be unhappy with the coverage and might impair the finish depending on what tool you chose. So this is why we created it, where we found we were selling really good paint and someone might have an old black bristle brush at home and the black bristles are so strong that they leave these tracks in the coating that the paint finds really hard to level out after it because it gouged into it so much. So we found even with selling the right paint, if people weren't using the right tools, they were getting an impaired finish or the project just wasn't going as smoothly or taking longer. So the kits have everything you need to complete that project. Now, if you have certain tools at home, don't buy the complete kit. You don't want to be replicating and buying things you already have. Go in and buy the items separately. So go into the kit if you're going to paint your tiles and see, right, what are the tools they're saying I need, and then you can go back, if you have some of them, go back and buy them individually, what you need from the website. Any queries, just pop us an email, support@thepainthub.ie, or fly over to our Instagram @CarloPaintHub, ask us questions over there, or have a look through our Instagram TV. We have videos of the tools needed and the process you need to follow for the vast majority of painting projects. Best of luck with your painting project. Any queries, give us a shout.